Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're camping, you want the lightest and most efficient gear possible. That's why we love this camp stove from MSR. This MSR WhisperLite stove is a great choice for super lightweight cooking when you're camping or backpacking. It weighs only 1 pound, 3.4 ounces packed, and 11.5 ounces minimum weight. So you really won't mind bringing this with you on a trip. We really love this stove because it's very versatile and is able to be used with a ton of different liquid fuel types. It packs really small and is simple to use with either a fuel canister or a fuel bottle and the included fuel pump. It also includes a heat deflector and a windscreen that can be packed right around your fuel bottle, so it makes for a super compact kit. The stove also heats up really quickly and evenly and will get your meal cooking in no time. It boils water in a matter of just a couple minutes. So we really love this little stove and we keep one in each of our packs. So this is a great quality camp stove, would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.